Yeah, yo, you have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself, man. Your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a mention. Can't tell you say you, girl, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day.
Hey loves, happy 4th of July to everyone. Hope everybody is staying safe and enjoying themselves. But let's get into this beat. First, I'm going to take my NYX setting powder. I use that for only my eyelids to make sure it's nice and smooth for my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my favorite palette by BH Cosmetics. You guys all know Take Me to Brazil. I'm going to go in with the red for my eyelids. So today I'm going for that firework look. So I'm going to take my LA Pro concealer and toffee, and I'm going to try to make like a firework, like stars on my eyelids. So next I'm going to take my NYX glitter and I'm going to go in on the fireworks and make sure it's all glittered up. So to give this look a pop, I'm going to go in with blue and red on my waterline. I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation. Today I did use dewy and matte mixed up together and I do like the results. So that's what I did, and it was the same number 360 that I always use. I'm going to take my LA Pro concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to conceal, under my eyelids, my nose, my chin. Next, I'm going to contour with my e.l.f. contour palette. Now I'm going to take my Airspun setting powder, and I'm going to set my makeup. I'm going to use my matte lipstick by NYX in the number 8. In my inner lips, I'm going to go in with the soft matte lip cream by NYX as well, and the number is 22. This is optional, but I would recommend taking a damp beauty blender and just making sure all your setting powder is gone and all your makeup is just blended. Then I'm going to take my MAC finishing powder. And I'm going to take my off-brand NYX matte setting spray and just spray it all over my face. So to jazz this look up a little bit, I'm going to go in with Bella Pierre highlighter in the color Luster in the corner of my eyes. After that, I'm also going to use Bella Pierre to highlight my face. this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I hope everybody is staying safe this 4th of July. And I hope everybody is staying full as well. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Turn on your notifications to get more.